So you're buying a new home and want to go at it the right way. Well, welcome to my channel. I'm Adam Black and I'm a mortgage professional with nearly 20 years of experience. Today I want to talk to you about step 2 of the home buying process, and that's building the perfect team. Having that right mortgage lender, realtor, and a great financial planner can make a world of difference in your home buying journey. But before we delve into the details, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below. Your engagement, it fuels this community and it helps others on their path to home ownership. And do not forget, hit the bell icon while you're here so you'll be notified when we post new videos. By the way, this is part of our Home Buyer Roadmap series, and we've created a playlist on our channel where you can catch up on all the crucial steps. Now let's get started. The first team member you need to add is your mortgage lender, a critical member of your home buying team. And guess what? I happen to know a guy. So here's some benefits of finding the perfect mortgage professional. Number one reason is the tailored solutions we can provide. A good lender is going to analyze your financial situation and provide mortgage options tailored to your unique needs and goals. Mortgages are not a one-size-fits-all, and determining the correct program can save you thousands of dollars over time. We're going to ask a lot of questions, and we're going to use your answers to find not only the lowest overall cost, but also a mortgage that fits your short-term and your long-term goals. Now, number two is our expertise and our experience. A great mortgage professional brings years of experience to the table, helping you navigate a complex mortgage process and provides expert guidance. Now, there's a lot to the mortgage process, and having someone who's been forged by fire, who can see issues coming and be proactive rather than reactive, is key when picking your professional. The number three reason is our ability to maximize savings. This one is one that I am super passionate about. While the mortgage rate you receive, it is very important, it's not always the thing you need to focus on the most, regardless of what your uncle told you. Being able to consider the big picture and determine the lowest overall cost over time is what separates a loan officer from a trusted advisor. The right lender is going to provide you with more than a loan estimate. Those of us who care are going to use the tools that remove opinion and replace those with fact. Now, number four is the way we provide a streamlined, effortless process. A well-coordinated lender can streamline the mortgage approval process, reducing stress and delays. You're making one of the biggest, largest commitments of your life. Unnecessary stress brought on by a confusing, weak process is something that a true professional just is not going to tolerate. So why are we the first team member for you to pick? Contrary to popular belief, your first conversations around buying a home should be with a lender, not with a realtor. Determining your mortgage needs first will make the entire process easier by helping you get off on the right foot. Not to mention, determining a budget saves you the stress of falling in love with a property outside your means. Now, before we go further, we've added a link below to our home buyer planning kit. That includes a number of resources that can help you make your home buying experience easier. After this video, click on the link and grab your copy. Now, the second member of your team, and just as important, is your realtor. So why is choosing the perfect realtor important? First and foremost is their local expertise. A good realtor has in-depth knowledge of the local real estate market, and they can help you find the best neighborhoods and properties that suit your needs. They can set up specific searches based on your needs and your wants. And once that budget is determined with your lender's help, your lender will take the wheel and they'll guide you through the home buying process, which, by the way, the house hunt is step 4 of our home buyer roadmap. So make sure you work your way to that one. Your number 2 reason to find a great realtor is their negotiation skills, and probably one of the biggest reasons, actually. These guys are negotiation ninjas. They ensure you get the best deal and favorable terms when buying a new home. They understand the market, the current trends, and they'll use that knowledge to help you get the best deal you can. And keep in mind, the initial negotiations for price and terms can be just the beginning on buying a home. Once you're under contract, there are still things that can pop up that may need the hard-earned negotiation skills your realtor has acquired through years of hard work. When this does happen, you will be so happy that they're on your side. This is just one of the reasons I always advise and urge clients to not try buying or selling a home on their own. Now, the third reason is the time and energy savings they provide. Realtors take care of a lot of those nitty-gritty details. They save you a lot of time and energy so you can focus on finding your dream home. They're going to set up searches so your time isn't spent surfing the web. They'll take care of all the behind-the-scenes heavy lifting once you're under contract. Again, they've done this before. They know how to arrange a smooth experience for you. By the way, in all my years of working with realtors, I worked with some good ones and I worked with some great ones. The great ones are the ones that understand the team aspect as well. They get it that everyone has a lane to stay in, and they understand by doing so, we all get you to the closing table faster and more economically. Now, before we go any further, if you'd like to have a conversation around buying a new home, please feel free to contact me at the number or the email on the screen below. Our team is licensed in almost every state, so there's a great chance we can help you, and if not, we can help you find someone in your area that will provide the same level of service that we do. I stay in touch with loan officers all over the country, and I know some of the best. Now let's discuss the piece of the puzzle that many people don't think about when buying a home, and that's a financial planner. Adding a financial planner to your dream team can be a game changer, and here's why. Number one is their holistic financial planning approach. A financial planner can help you look beyond the immediate home purchase and consider your long-term financial goals, helping you make way better informed decisions. If you're an existing client, they've helped you determine the best plan for your success, and they'll keep us all moving forward toward those goals. So think of them as the CFO of the transaction. While I'll get you the money, and your realtor will help you find a place and a home to spend it on, your financial planner will make sure we spend it correctly and in line with your short and long-term goals. Number two is their expertise around budgeting and savings. They can assist in creating a budget, building emergency funds, ensuring that your home purchase aligns with your broader financial objectives. We talked a lot about a budget in step one of the Home Buyer Roadmap. If you missed it, we've curated all those videos at my channel. Make sure you check those out. Now, number three is the investment guidance they provide. If you're looking to invest in real estate, a financial planner can offer valuable insights on how that fits into your investment portfolio. Number four is their ability to mitigate risk. A financial planner can help you understand the financial risk associated with homeownership and how to mitigate those. They will oftentimes work with your lender directly and possibly even loop in a CPA to ensure you're protected at the highest level. Let's continue to talk about the power of a collaborative dream team. Imagine having a mortgage lender, a realtor, and a financial planner who work together as a cohesive team, all with your best interest in mind. The synergy between these professionals can lead to a smoother, more successful home buying experience. They can ensure that your financial goals align with your home ownership dreams and that you're making wise, informed decisions every step of the way. This not only protects your future, but relieves a lot of stress as you're acting based on facts. So as we finish up, and as you embark on your home buying journey, remember that building the perfect home buying team is one of the most important decisions you'll make. A great mortgage lender, a skilled realtor, and a talented financial planner can help you navigate the complexities of the real estate market. Ensure your financial well-being and turn your home ownership dreams into reality while building wealth at the same time. Like I always say, if you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. And if you have any questions or you'd like more details, feel free to leave them in the comment sections below. Want to discuss your particular situation? Reach out to me directly at the info below or in the description. Thanks so much for investing your time with me today. I'm Adam Black, your lender for your life, and until next time, happy house hunting.